Good morning, Pipers. Come on in. Happy Tuesday. Let's find out what's on our books today. Now, yesterday on Monday, we didn't fill out anything on our cover page, but I thought we'd start making some words about what we've been talking about this week. This week, it's all about moving up for our yellow and blue. But what's our green gonna do? Oh, they're very special. So I'm gonna write the word green here. My favorite color, G, R, E, E, that tricky E, and the G goes down to the worm, and all the other letters are underneath that airplane. But remember, that E is always the trickiest one of all. All right, what's up first on our Tuesday work? First, we're doing some numbers. Kindergarten is going to be all about the letters and the numbers. These are numbers that come before. 2 is before 3. So we're going to be filling in the numbers that come before. Trace the number that is before. 3 comes before 4. 6 comes before 7. Down and over and down some more. 4 comes before 5. Around the gate and around the gate. 8 comes before 9. 0 comes before 1. And 2 comes before 3. Take your time and do a good job making those good-looking numbers. Oh, we talked about summer, the new season that's coming up in June. This says summer fun. Work on reading those directions. That will help you next year in kindergarten know what to do. Circle. So that is our direction word. Circle what you would wear. We're talking about what to wear in different seasons. So in the summertime, definitely shorts, right? Oh, not a sweater. No, that would be winter or fall. Sunglasses. Oh, not a jacket. A heavy jacket. That's winter. Yep. Sandals, flip-flops. Oh, and not mittens. That was easy breezy. Our next page is all about opposites, antonyms. Opposites. An elephant is big. A mouse is little. Big and little are opposites. Circle the picture that shows the opposite. All right, we have a happy boy. What's the opposite of happy? I would agree. Definitely sad, not angry. What's the opposite of up? They give you the word down. You just have to figure out what it is. All right, finish the rest yourself. Go. Okay, look and see. Do you agree with me? The opposite of boy is girl. The opposite of fast is slow. Good job with opposites, antonyms. Oh, we have a number line here that we're going to fill in the missing numbers, and they give you different boxes that you will be filling in. After 11, those tricky teens, 12, get it in the box. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, because these are done in fives, we can remember the pattern. 15, 5 at the end, 20, 0, 25, 30. That might help you when you do the second page. Go ahead, fill in those numbers and come back when you're ready. 1, 2, 3, look and see. Let's see if your number line looks like my number line. Looking fine. The next page is all about finding the matching word. When we first started reading words, we found out that the first letter, the first sound, was the most important learning to read. Then we found out that the ending sound, the last letter, was the next most important. And then there's a vowel in the middle for our CVC words. CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant words. These are all CVC words with a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant, except for one. We'll see if you can figure out which one. So take a look. It begins with a T, ends with a P. Oh, that's a C. No, there's a T and a P. Oh, these two match. The next picture, and the word cap, begins with a C, ends with a P. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's not a C and a G. Nope. There's two. All right. You go do it on your own. Put me on pause. Go. Look and see. Do you agree with me? There's 2 pig words, 2 egg words, and 2 cubs. This was a little tricky because it had a C there too, but only 2 cubs. Now, which one of these words is not a CVC? Not a consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Oh, vowel, consonant, consonant. Egg was the only one that was not a CVC word. And the last page is all about beginning sounds. But what's tricky here is I want you to make sure you form that letter T or N for the beginning sound of each word where it belongs on the foundations line. Here's the sky, the grass, the airplane, and the worm, and I want you to make sure it's where it belongs. Now, look at this picture. It's going to begin with a T or an N. Those are our only 2 choices. Is it a top or a nop? If you said a top, you are correct. Now, form that T where it belongs on that foundations knot line. Form that O underneath the airplane and that P down to the worm just like it belongs on that foundations line. Take your time and stay within the line. Is this a tent or a nent? If you said tent, you are correct. And again, you need the lowercase t. It's not the name of a person or place. E is so tricky between the airplane and grass. Over, up to the airplane, down to the grass, and under the airplane, T, sky to grass, tent. All right, put me on pause and come back and see if we agree. 1, 2, 3, look and see. Do you have nest and nut? Excellent. Remember those N's are lowercase. They go under the line, and only the T is sky to grass. Again, under the airplane line, only the T is sky to grass. Well done with Tuesday's book. Pre-Ks, keep working hard in the online schoolyard.